The cube root of 2 raised to the negative 3 divided by the square root of 8 equal to what? So the first thing we need to do, we need to solve the numerators first. So the cube root of 2 raised to the negative 3. So the cube root of 3, we can rewrite that as 2 raised to the 1/3 power raised to the negative 3. So when you have a power raised to a power, we can just multiply the power. So 2 raised to the 1/3 uh, times negative 3. That's just equal to 2 raised to the negative 1. Okay? Now let's work with the denominator. So the square root of 8, the square root of 8, we can rewrite that as, so 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. We can rewrite that as 2 to the square root of 3, the square root of 2 raised to the third power. And then we can rewrite that as 2 raised to the 3 over 2. Okay, that's all the same thing. Now, let's put all together. So this on the top and this on the bottom. So 2 raised to the negative 1 divided by 2 raised to the 3 over 2. Okay? Now, when you divide the exponent, when you have the same basis, all you need to do is just subtract the exponent. So since this has the same basis, we can say that 2 raised to the negative 1 minus 3 over 2. Okay? So you do some math a little bit right here. It will be 2 raised to the what? We can make this 1 as a 2 because the 2 is the denominator. We can just say negative 2 over 2, which is just equal to 1. We can do like that. And then minus 3 over 2. Okay? That's just equal to 2 raised to the negative 5 over 2. Alright. So now put this together. Okay, now we cannot leave in this form. So we need to convert it to a different form. So negative 2, 2 raised to the negative 5 over 2, we can rewrite that as 1 over 2 raised to the negative 5. 2 raised to the negative, raised to the 5 over 2, not negative. Okay? And then from this form, we can say that 1 over, so this we can rewrite this as the square root of 2 raised to the 5th. That's the same thing right here, and this is the same thing. We can convert like that. So this we can say that 1 over, what is the square root of 2 to the 5th? 2 to the 5th is just 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times will be the square root of 32. Okay? Can you leave in this form? No, we cannot leave a square root on the denominator. We have to rationalize that. So to rationalize that, we should say that 1 over the square root of 32 times, so got to multiply the square root of 32 on top and the bottom. Okay? The square root of 32. So that would just equal to the square root of 32 over 32. Okay. Now, what is the square root of 32? We can split this up again. The square root of 32, we can say that the square root of 16 times 2, okay, divided by 32. So that's can just, we can rewrite that the square root of 16 times the square root of 2 divided by 32. What is the square root of 16? The square root of 16 is just equal to 4 times the square root of 2 divided by 32. So 4 divided by, we can reduce this, but we just equal to the square root of 2 divided by 8. That's your final answer right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.